Hello and welcome back to INSEVIS video tutorials. My name is Andy and today we have a look at the dialogs and menu templates in the Visustage. The dialogs you can find on the left hand side in the project browser. The dialogs are something that's done very nicely in the Visustage because you can customize each and every dialog. Example for dialogs would be a digital input when you enter a number in a I/O field, or pin input for your user login, datetime input, and so on. You can change the size of the dialog, which is especially important if you have a smaller device with a smaller screen. You can set the width and the height. You can set the background color and the size of the numbers you type in. You can also customize the buttons. You can go with a button template like this, or you can go with single color buttons. If I delete the template, you get single color buttons, and I just change the color, and I can also change the color of the numbers. Okay. You can also change the size of the numbers on the buttons and also the size of the icons on the right side. So if you use a button template, which is the better choice in most cases because it looks nicer, the Visustage comes with a variety of buttons you can choose from. I will just use maybe these. Okay. You can also change these icons here. You can change the icon itself. Maybe use a different arrow. And so on. And you can use different button templates for these. So maybe these should be in this color. Okay. Another thing you have are screen templates. Screen templates you can imagine just like in PowerPoint. You create one template and reuse it for new menus. In this template you could define, for example, your company name, or maybe here and take an indicator for alarms, or set your volume, display the language, display the user that's logged in, and save this as a template. And if you add a new screen, you get at first a white screen, and then you can choose your template, and then you have all the predefined objects already in there. You can also, if you have an existing visualization and you would like to change the template, you can do so by just selecting the screen, go to the right side and change the template. Additional settings you can find under the screen menu. In here you can set the display backlight, screensavers, when the screensaver should engage, and what it looks like. The button click and watchdog for HMIs, screen and language control. You can store the active screen ID in a variable and also read the active screen ID from a variable. With this you can switch screens inside the S7 program. The same is for the language. You can read and write the language from variables, so you could switch the language from within step 7. That's all from me. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, share this video with your colleagues, and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single tutorial.